In the second row, we want to find the sum of the population of all countries for the dates after September 1st. We do equal SUMIF. Our first parameter is the criteria range, the range that is being tested, and that is the date range. So we choose A2 to A15 and make it an absolute reference. The second parameter is the criterion, and we are asking after September 1st, 2017. So to do this, we type in quotation greater than 2017 0901. The third parameter is the range that needs to be summed, and that is the population C2 to C15. Close parenthesis. We got 10,057,000. Let's do a quick check. Everything after September 1st. September 1st, that would be this. That matches. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.